nga ako, ay di ba, ikaw pastor, you know me, I do not accept awards. I have not gone to Malacanang to accept awards. Sa totoo lang. Because as a personal and official policy, I do not think that I should be awarded or rewarded for the things that I am paid by the public to do. Ngayon ng nutrition, sabi ko, kailan magpunta doon? Alam ni Presidente yan. Kaya ayaw ko talaga. Sabi ko, ayaw ko kasi trabaho ko yan. Peace and order, papunta. No? Inyo yan. Kayo, nagpupunta doong regional commander na nagre-receive ng award. Ayaw ko. Gito ngayon, on the 27th of this month, I have been told that I will be awarded the most outstanding alumni ng San Beda. Sabi ko, ayaw ko. Bakit hindi ako naman ako ginawa na bakit mag-outstanding ako? Marami dyan, bigay mo sa mga gago niya. They hunger pa. I do not. And the greatest reward that I really crave for, Pastor, is the award that God would give me. Whether I go to hell or heaven, gusto ko lang malaman kung na alam ng Diyos na ginagawa ko. Because I really dinidibdib ko yung trabaho ko. I do not want anybody oppressed. Kaya galit ako eh. Yung bugoy-bugoy, kaya-kaya, yung abuso, even the police, nakagalit talaga ako dyan. Even when I was a fiscal,